finished it like today.
These are our accurate points from yesterday.
18.
So, if you remember what letter your team was.
Wait, where's the talent from?
I know I'm about to do that. No, but we're not doing this deal thing, so I learned my lesson.
Wait, 3 times
It
3.
was tall and very loud.
Some people are just a little too short.
At the end of class, if it's short enough, I try karate.
No, because the next class is also
Over.
it works. Hey, you have this problem done? Because otherwise, why are you talking to me? This is your team's problem. This homework is due tomorrow. If you don't have it done, you shouldn't care. Hey, Rain, you can do math. Just make faces at your friends.
When he's done building up.
Armand, you have this done? Can you guys maybe work together to get this done?
No, that doesn't make sense. No, Jackson told me.
You could scooch down by the rest of your team to actually work with your team. And what I've learned is I cannot let Arfon pick the people on his team because they're not working very productively. If you hadn't given yourself those points at the end of class, then yeah, I trust you guys. Common denominator.
924 plus negative. Okay, I have to get this one. Times 4.
If we can't figure out the common denominator, we should be listing out multiples.
24. Oh yeah, negative 11. Got it.
There's some help on the board if you're struggling to figure out what to do or what to write. Right here. Oh, we just need to clean out your binder stuff. Here, I'll give you this whole thing back. But I already put on the board what you need to know. Our common denominator could be 24 because we find that in both lists.
Do you agree that this one's truly negative 12? Yay, it's built. Has it been signed by previous students?
Mm-hmm. And you guys can sign it too at the end of the year.
Let's go! I'm going to sign it at the brightest part next year.
You guys done with this?
Yeah.
You ready to steal? I know it doesn't feel super confident over here.
We've always been ready to steal. Ever since I was a baby. Hold on. He needed 48. Use 48 as the denominator. It works for all of them. What's so hard? Oh.
He's right.
No, wait, I'm right. Yeah. I'm right beside you. How did you not?
Yeah. I could not hear what you're saying. Yeah, anyone can watch.
There's no option for
That's why you have a team to talk it out with. If you're done with this problem, you could be doing other problems, and we got 4 homeworks due tomorrow.
Oh yeah. You did actually. You were listening. No, she's right.
one dog, one.
Man, we're not going to get too many problems today. So if we're just chit-chatting, that tells me we're ready to turn in all 4 homeworks tomorrow. If we're just talking about not math, that tells me you're ready to turn in all 4 homeworks tomorrow. Well, especially because we've already been through 2 songs, do we think that we can...
That's the denominator.
Yeah, I know. Okay, wait.
You guys ready?
I combined that.
I need the answer in 15 seconds.
Do that.
Finish the side. All right. Bring it back. Sorry, Sam. Not going to let you explain. Matt, what did your team get as your final answer? Negative 15 over 24? Uh-oh. What? Sorry, did I mishear you? Now, if I misheard you, tell me before I listen to anybody else. Moving on, Donna.
We got negative 11 over 24.
Negative 11 over 24. Sophia?
Negative 5 over 8.
That might not be different.
I know
That
you
might
can
not be
simplify the
different.
expression.
Sure, but that doesn't mean they're wrong. Like, all because we haven't got... Okay, let's talk about this. If we make common denominators, 24 is a common denominator that makes sense because it's in both the 8 and the 6, and 6 includes the 3. Right? So we know 6 is inside of, or 3 is inside of 6. So this, I don't know why people are talking at the same time as me since we have like different answers, some of which are wrong. If I combine my negatives right now, I get negative 24 over 20. Well, that's fun. So that's like a negative 1, right? Because 16 and 8 made 24, but negative. And now if I do negative 24 plus 9, I get negative 15 over 24. Which does reduce to negative 5 over 8, but we're still giving it to them because they were right. They just need to keep going and reduce. Send someone to the tower.
Mr. Hudson,
Yeah.
how does B team have 27 if they only went twice?
I don't keep track of scores.
What the?
Yeah.
I think you guys may have gone ahead and added your scores yesterday, and that's how we got you to 18 at the end of class. Because I had written down that you guys had 18.
Okay.
Either way, I don't care because the winners don't get anything. Eli,
Okay.
pick a number.
I was gonna go erase it.
18. That is 144, so I'm moving it so we know.
Okay, just makes it. We're going to the next person. How much is the sidewalk? 9.
9. Yep.
We're gonna get 18. C.
Your C.
We're gonna get 18.
I would draw a picture if I was you. I would draw a picture.
Where'd the top one?
Oh, I'm like, okay, wait, what? Like,
Wait, did you just change the score down there?
No.
Okay, because I need to write those down still.
Who's B team doesn't have 27.
Hey, we just talked about this. We're gonna change it. Do your math. You guys are real close to having me just say, forget it, we're taking the test. Points don't matter. The winners don't get anything.
whoa, it looks like a book. But then when I go to I broke them, and now I can't find my other ones. Yeah, and they only cost me $25. No, we don't have insurance. But some parents will get money on the house that are never used. Can I have them? That's not how it works, buddy.
3 minutes.
15 minutes left.
Yep, so we're taking the mastery. Hey, Ray, just stop up the wall.
We need to figure out what those. How do we calculate?
Eli, you ready? All right, what did you get for the width here? 7.75. No one's disagreement? What do you think? 4. Any other answers people want to throw into the ring? Don?
Like 3.875.
3.875. In total, any other answers? To total up our perimeter, how many W's do we actually have in total? 8. How many -1s do we actually have? And that equals 30. How do we get rid of this -2? Add 2. Yeah, my alarm's going off. And what is 32 divided by 8? 4. But the steal doesn't matter because we are past time to work on the test. Put your closure away. If I see wandering eyes because we're all sitting a little close today, I will just tell you to move. You will try to argue with me, and I won't care. If I see wandering eyes, I'm telling you to move. If you think you're sitting too close to people, move. There's a spot here by Ashley. There's a spot up here by Jackson. Like my round table people, I would suggest that one of you move because you're all very close to each other. Yes. Yeah. Sure. So one of you 4 need to move somewhere else. You're all too close to each other. And then scooch to spread out. Yeah, we looked at this like a week ago. May have been actually a week ago. Anyone else that wasn't here and needs a copy? All right. We do have a new no-name paper up there. I'm about to pass out papers. So if you think you turned in a paper and you don't get it back in a minute, yeah, it's probably up there.